Catch this, mates! Here are the top 5 snacks you'd better sidestep if you're on the journey to lose weight. Firstly, ditch those sugary drinks. They're crafty calories in disguise. Secondly, steer clear of processed foods. Your body deserves better, doesn't it? Thirdly, say no thank you to white bread. It's a simple carb with little nutritional value. Fourthly, avoid those low-fat or diet foods. They often replace fat with sugar, the cheeky devils. Lastly, give a wide berth to pastries, cookies, and cakes. They're calorie-dense and don't fill you up. Remember, it's not about denying yourself, it's about making smarter choices. Stay tuned for more health tips. Cheers!